For my resource walkthrough this week, we're going to be looking at grade 3, and we're going to be looking at constructing and measuring polygons lesson 1. So if we click on our title here and then click play lesson, first thing that we're going to move into is we get to choose the background we want. It gives you 20 seconds to select between all of these different kinds of backgrounds, themes, if you will. So we'll go ahead and choose this nice soothing beach theme, and then we click play.
Create a quadrilateral that has at least one side that is 6 inches long.
So you can see the directions up here, and the nice voice will read the directions out loud to the student. Now, what I really like about this activity is the fact that it's very independent, very much self-timed activity. Students can sit and work on this as long as they need to on their own, and it's very much independent. And how it works is you have your, over here there is a selection of your cursor key, your line tool, angle tool, and then your measuring tool. And then up here we have this is our hint key, and this is this little book here. If you click on it, it will give you a definition. So if I am a student and I don't know what a quadrilateral is, I can click here. I can look through all of these different types of glossary items and find quadrilateral. I do not like that these are not in complete alphabetical order, so it is a little bit hard times for students to find things, but you can click through here and find what you need. So if you need to go back, we'll go back. We know quadrilateral is 4-sided item, so we're going to click our line tool, and we want to make one side has to be 6 inches long. So start with A, drag B, making sure we've covered 6 inches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So B needs to come back. Oh, I made B too long, so I need to click this key and I can go back. I can start here again with A, drag it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then I can make my other 4 sides any way I want. 1 side, 2 sides, 3 sides, making sure I have a completely closed shape. And then I can click here and it tells me I'm correct. I know I did one side 6 inches. The next part of the lesson,
measure each missing side length of this quadrilateral. Record each length in its corresponding text box.
so I want to click on the ruler tool, and the way this tool works is you can drag it anywhere you need to and line up one side with the 0, measure across to the other dot here, which looks to be about 4 inches. Next, you can drag it here. You make it shorter, so you can use these arrows to make it shorter. To here, use this to swing it up. Looks like we're at 1.5, so you can type that 1.5. This other side then is also going to be 1.5, and then to check your work you can click the box down here. Once you've done that, it'll move you to the next shape. And if the students need to be read,
create a triangle that has at least one side that is 3 inches long.
So you can click that and we'll read it out loud. So again, a very good lesson in order for students to be able to just work on their own and create shapes and use measuring skills to measure outside. So I would use this in my classroom again for some independent work, and while I'm teaching students about different shapes and also about how to measure them.